Welcome to our 12th apiary in Sagana. Sagana is a small industrial town in Kirinyaga district, Kenya. And today we are at the 11th apiary for bees here in Sagana. As you see, we have used round poles like apiary number 9 and 10. And because we want the structure to be firm, we have to make sure all the posts are aligned and holes filled with concrete. This apiary is smaller, but it can hold 20 hives that will give you 200 kilograms per harvest. Beekeeping has positive ecological consequences. Bees play an important role in the pollination of many flowering plants, thus increasing the yield of certain crops such as sunflower and various fruits. The roof is essential to protect the bee colony from rain, wind, and extreme temperatures, ensuring their hive remains dry and insulated, allowing them to thrive and produce honey effectively, like we have done in the previous 11 apiaries, and it's working amazing. If you have interest in beekeeping, we are available for guidance, design, and implementation. For more information, please WhatsApp us on the number provided in the description. In protecting our bee colonies, we have constructed a trench around the apiary. Our trench is constructed with wire mesh and finished with smooth cement with waterproof. The trench will be full of clean water to act as a barrier for insects and to be a source of water for bees. If you don't protect your bees, they will give you low returns or leave the hives. Bees can be attacked and killed by ants, because ants are attracted to the food sources within a beehive, like honey and bee larvae, and can overwhelm a bee colony, especially if the colony is weak, by entering the hive and stealing food. Sometimes even killing bees in the process to gain access to the food. With the help of the trench, you have minimized the attack from ants. Thanks for subscribing to our channel. If you are here for first time, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for those who have purchased our design plan for apiaries like of 200 hives, 100 hives, 50 hives and 20 hives. You can contact us through the number on description for design work and construction. Let's see how this apiary is performing when bees have colonized the hives. The 20 hives are already inside, and it has taken us 3 weeks for 9 hives to be colonized. Some we have put the super boxes on top, and today we will add supers on other new ready hives. Adding a super box on the brood box means placing an additional box, called a super, on top of the main beehive box brood chamber where the queen bee lays eggs, essentially giving the bees more space to store honey as the colony expands. This is typically done when the brood box becomes mostly full of bees and brood, signifying the need for extra room to collect nectar. The added box is where we harvest honey with interfering with the queen and babies in the brooder box. But before you add the super box, you must identify that bees have constructed 6 to 7 frames inside the brooder box. Between the 2 boxes, you must place the queen excluder mesh that protects the queen to lay eggs in the upper box. At around 3 p.m. in Nairobi, and we are able to manage our aggressive bees well inside the apiary. Please click the link provided below to watch all our 12 apiaries and learn the safest method to keep your bees. Remember, this are Africanized honey bee, however, they are most extremely aggressive in the world when defending their colony. That's why we recommend for starters to use a smoker to lower their aggressiveness. Therefore, using a beehive smoker makes hive maintenance easier and safer with minimal risk of stings. In our next episode, we will talk about why satin bee suit is the best than cotton fabric material. Place your super box carefully without injuring the queen excluder. our bees have settled down back to their daily routine, and we have provided them with a variety of flowers to collect pollen and nectar from. Like in the 9th apiary, we have planted sunflowers around the apiary to boast the nectar for bees. When you request for the apiary design, we always give you the list of flowers to plant in your garden. Sunflowers are a valuable food source for bees and other pollinators because they are full of nectar and pollen. If you are interested in this venture, please don't let your land to be idle. Contact us for design, plan, guidance, feasibility study of your land and construction. In the apiary number 3, we have covered the whole body with iron sheets to calm down honeybee aggressiveness. And in this apiary you can see the water trench is smaller than the one in apiary number 2. We have left spaces where bees can pass and access the hives. We have also done stone pitching to protect surfaces and enhance drainage systems. Within the iron sheets, there is a wire mesh all round to enhance security of our hives. The inner part sections are always the same as apiary number 1 and 2, whereby the ground floor has 2 sections, the lower and the upper part. This is the stairs going up a floor of our apiary. It also has 2 levels where the hives will rest. The performance of this apiary is slow because of farming activities and the high level of insecticide used. We have also grown tall napier grass to prevent the farmers from the direct attack from the bees. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in our next 13th apiary. Be blessed.
See you next.
Tonight, in our headlines, one hive was attacked yesterday night by wax moth.